Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a butterfly origami. What you need for this lesson is a pair of scissors and a plain piece of paper. You can use loose leaf, you can use computer paper, whatever you guys have. So like I showed you in the previous video, we're going to turn this rectangle piece of paper into a square. So you're going to take the left hand corner, and you're going to fold it down to create a right angle. Make sure that it's aligned well with the edge of the paper, and you're going to crease it. And you're going to take your scissor and you're going to cut along this line. So now when you open up, you're going to have a diamond. What you're going to do is take this bottom part, fold it upwards to meet at the edge to create a triangle. Feel free to take your time with this to make sure that this lines up perfectly or as best as you can. And try to make sure that you crease this really well. You can use your nail if you want to. Open it. Now we're gonna flip the bottom half up again, but this time we're gonna make a rectangle. Rectangle. Once again, make sure that it aligns well with the edge. And you're gonna crease it and make sure that it's creased well. Once again. And we're gonna open it. So we're going to take the left side, fold it towards the right side, and we're going to create another rectangle. Make sure that it lines well with the edge, and you're going to crease it, and just make sure that it's, once again, creased well, because this is very important for the next step that we're about to do. So now, when you open it, it looks like this. What you're going to do is flip it over, and what you want to do is something similar to what we did with the fortune teller origami. Basically, you want to push in the stuff according to the crease. Okay, first thing I would do is fold the page in half. So the same when you took the left side to the right side. Now you're going to want to push in the back like this. Make sure that it's creased along that crease, and fold it in together. We're going to do the same on the opposite side. Push it in. Make sure that this side is creased. Make sure that that side's creased. And we're gonna close it and crease it again. Okay, so just make sure that that's creased well. Once again, so you should have a triangle. What you're gonna do now is you're gonna flip it upside down. So when you flip it upside down, you have the first tab, you have the back tab, and you have the same on the opposite side, the first tab and the back tab. So you're going to put the origami down. You're going to take the top tab and you're going to fold it down downwards like this. And this is going to be your wings. So you're going to fold it down. Try to like line up well with like the center line, but not. So it should look like this when you do that. And you're going to do the same on the opposite side. Take the top tab, fold it down. like this. So after you do that, underneath this, you should have like a little diamond shape. So what you're gonna do, it'll be easier if you just turn it around. And what we're gonna do is flip this upwards. So we're gonna flip this up. Try not to rip or bend. Try not to rip or bend this crease here. We're gonna flip it upwards. So when you flip it, it should look like this. And we're gonna turn it around. And we're gonna bend. Basically what we're gonna try and do is pull this over. So we're gonna push this down a little bit and pull this over the bend and just kind of like press it in. And feel free to take your time with this because it took me a while to really understand this step. But all you're really doing is pulling this up, pushing the front down a little bit so it dents, and then pulling that thing that you flipped up in the back over that dent and kind of just creasing it with your nail. So after you do that, it should look something like this. And this just gives dimension to the wings. It makes it a little puffy. So now what you're gonna do is you're just gonna, which might be slightly challenging, but because you don't wanna break it. Oh. Hold it together. So you're just gonna bring this together. When you bring this together, you're gonna have this little piece here. I'm going to crease it a little bit, kind of like bend the wing down a little bit.